Yes. Now, to penetrate a Coulomb barrier of a light nucleus, a proton must have minimum energy of order of, means the amount of energy required, to a proton to penetrate into Coulomb barrier of a light nucleus. So light nucleus means small nucleus. So small nucleus, to penetrate the alpha particle into a small nucleus, the minimum energy is required. So 1 million electron volt is required to penetrate the Coulomb barrier of light nucleus. So minimum the proton should have 1 million electron volt to penetrate into the Coulomb barrier of light nucleus. Now, which of the following is correct regarding the number of alpha particles striking the screen per unit area at a given distance r from scattering center? So on the screen, how many number of particles are instanting per unit area from the scattering center or distance is the number of conditions are there. Number of scattered alpha particles striking the screen per unit area at given distance from r from in scattering center is alpha particle is proportional to the square of the nucleus charge. So the number of particles are n is directly proportional to square of charge q square. Next, inversely proportional to square of kinetic energy of alpha particle. Number of particles instanting on the screen per unit area is inversely proportional to kinetic energy of the alpha particle. Now inversely proportional to 4th power of sine theta by 2, where theta is scattering cross section angle. So the number of alpha particles striking on a unit area at r distance from the nucleus center, at the distance number of particles scattering is directly proportional to or inversely proportional to sine power of 4 theta by 2. Okay. Next, which of the following transmission entitles absorption of alpha particle and release of photon? So so many transitions are there. In that one I am taking 13 alpha 27, 15 polonium 30. If you want to see it here, this great you can see that here I can show you. So here alpha particle is there. So 13 to alpha 27, 15 polonium 30. If you are going to understand this, what is happening, 13 plus 2, okay, 13 plus 2 15, 27 plus 3 30. So what is asking, the following transmission entitled is absorption of alpha particles, means one particle is absorbed, aluminum is absorbing one particle. 27 plus 4 31, but 30 is 1, so mass number should be 1 should be decreased, and 13 plus 2 15. Okay, so one proton should be emitted because one mass number only releases and 0 atomic number comes out. So here, so only 0 n1 proton is going to be coming out from this